Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Punzo, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we're going to be making tomato sauce. I love tomato sauce because you can use it with everything. Like when I'm cooking stews, when I'm cooking literally anything basically, and I want a little bit of flavor with that tomato without too much of it, I just put in a little bit of it and then it just gives you that taste. But you can also use it on its own, but my favorite way to use it is using it in when I'm cooking something else.
Perfect.
Start off by adding in the margarine and the olive oil. Allow the margarine to melt a little bit. Then add in the chopped onion. And then add in the bay leaf, the thyme and the garlic. And let that sweat at low heat until the onions are soft. Add in the tomato paste and the sugar, and cook that for 5 to 6 minutes at low heat. And then add in the water, and let that simmer for 30 minutes. Blend everything and then pass it through a sieve and then store as you please. Yeah guys, so that's it. Try it out. It's easy enough. All it takes is just a little bit of time just for simmering, but other than that guys, try it, and then after that try putting it in your stews. It tastes really nice. All those flavors complement each other and it just comes out tasting so good. Guys, thanks for watching, and until next time, bye.